Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Take a look at this incredible footage over here. UFO sightings. The source claims it's this drone. Look at this UFO. Looks like a flying saucer, and this drone is just following it. Absolutely incredible footage. And look at this flying saucer. You can see some lights flashing over there at the bottom. Absolutely incredible. I want to say thank you very much to the source, Andre, for sending in this footage. And he says that he was flying back from the US and he was going to Italy. And I think he said that they were still on US soil overhead when he happened to spot this object over here. He was leaving from the Chicago airport, and then apparently this was about 30 minutes into the trip, and his shade on the window was down, and he lifted it up and he happened to spot this object over here. He said he was going back to visit his parents, and he said this was like the whole trip. That's all they just kept talking about, and he was showing this to his family, and they couldn't believe it. This is all according to the source, ladies and gentlemen. And this is incredible footage over here. There you have it. This footage did come to us on August 1st, 2024, so it is brand new footage. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you have a good day. Stay safe. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Take care. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for stopping by. If you like what you saw, you might want to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Go ahead and click on the image on the center over there and you'll be subscribed to iUFO Sightings. And if you liked what you saw and you're ready for more UFO videos, go ahead and click on the image on the left and you can start watching our UFO playlist right now. Have a good one.